In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your own watermark in Canva. If you added a name tag, logo, or draft text to protect a design, and you're ready to publish a clean version, this walkthrough will show you how to take it out safely and download a clean file. First, open the design. From the Canva homepage, head to Projects or Recent Designs, then click the design that contains the watermark. Wait for it to load so all elements are ready to edit. Next, select the watermark. Click directly on the watermark element, whether it's text, a logo, or a graphic you placed earlier. If it doesn't select on the first click, zoom in a little or use the Layers panel on the left to pick the exact element. If the element is locked, click the lock icon to unlock it before selecting. If it's grouped with other objects, choose Ungroup so you can remove only the watermark without shifting the layout. Take your time here to make sure you're selecting the watermark itself and not a background image or shape. Then delete. Press the Delete key on your keyboard. Alternatively, use the trash icon in the top right toolbar. If you accidentally remove the wrong thing, hit Undo to bring it back. This keeps your layout intact while you clean up the design. Now check all pages. If your design has multiple pages, like a multi-slide presentation, a carousel, or a PDF, look at each page's thumbnail along the side. The watermark may have been copied across pages or included in a duplicated template. Click through each page, repeat the selection, and delete the watermark wherever it appears. Take a moment to scan the corners and edges for faint logos or semi-transparent text so nothing slips through. When everything looks clean, download the updated version. Click Share in the top right, then choose Download. Pick the file type that fits your needs, PNG or JPG for images, PDF for print or documents, or MP4 or GIF for animated designs. If your project has several pages, confirm whether you want all pages or only specific ones. You can also adjust quality or size if those options appear. Finally, click the Download button and let Canva prepare your file. Before you close the tab, give the file a quick preview on your device to confirm everything looks crisp and watermark-free. That's it. You've removed your self-added watermark and exported a clean design without changing your original layout. If you want a watermark again later, consider duplicating the project first so you always have a watermarked and a clean version handy. And that's how you remove your own watermark in Canva. Quick and easy.